Is your Squarespace site feeling sluggish, leaving your visitors waiting and your search rankings lagging? In just 90 seconds, we'll transform your Squarespace website into a lightning-fast powerhouse, ensuring an incredible experience for everyone who visits and boosting your visibility in search results. First, let's tackle images. Large, unoptimized images are the biggest speed killers. Go into your Squarespace editor. Navigate to the page or section with your images, and select each one. Look for editing options, and choose resize or compress. Aim for a balance between quality and file size. You'll want to export your images at a reasonable dimension, and use web-friendly formats like JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics with transparency. Next, we'll fine-tune your site's aesthetics. Access your site styles from the main menu here. You can adjust font sizes, spacing, and even disable certain animations or parallax scrolling effects that might be hogging resources. Start by reducing font sizes slightly and minimizing any decorative animations that aren't essential for conveying your message. Squarespace handles a lot of optimization behind the scenes, including caching while you can't directly control it. Keeping your content fresh and your site updated helps their system work efficiently. This means regularly reviewing your pages, updating blog posts, and removing any outdated information. Finally, let's talk about responsiveness. Ensure your website looks and performs brilliantly on all devices. Squarespace is generally great at this, but double-check your mobile view in the editor to make sure no elements are overlapping or loading excessively. A clean, well-structured layout on mobile is key to a fast experience. By optimizing your images, refining your site styles, keeping your content current, and ensuring mobile responsiveness, you've just supercharged your Squarespace website, delivering speed and performance that will wow your visitors and climb those search rankings.